Good evening, children. I hope everyone are doing fine. Let us continue with the chapter Atoms and Molecules. So, in our previous class, we studied how to write a chemical formula and rules to be followed when you are writing chemical formula, right? So, today we will be studying about mole concept. So, you already know the basic concept about atomic mass unit and what is molecules and molecular mass, right? So we shall continue with the concept, that is mole concept. Okay, so we know, children, we know that for example, we will take a reaction of hydrogen and oxygen to form water. That is, two molecules of hydrogen and one molecule of oxygen gives rise to 2 moles of water, that is H2O. What does this reaction indicates? So this reaction indicates that two molecules of hydrogen combine with one molecule of oxygen to form two molecules of water. So here 4 units of hydrogen molecules that is going to combine with 32 units of oxygen, right? So oxygen molecules to form 36 units of water molecules. U is nothing but unified mass, that is atomic mass unit, right? So this is how we can guess. But generally when you go to a grocery or when you go to buy some vegetables or when you go to buy some fruits, so you will ask a vendor that give me 1 dozen apple, give me 1 dozen pineapple, right? So 1 dozen apple means in the sense it is 12 apples, isn't it? So 1 dozen pineapple in the sense 12 pineapples. So 1 dozen oranges means 12 oranges. So but here the mass of each fruits is different, right? So if you take 1 dozen apples, it weighs about 5 kg. If you take 1 dozen of pineapples, it weighs 5 kg extra, that is 10 kg. So if you take oranges, 1 dozen oranges, it might be 3 kgs. So what is the variation you can see? That is mass of individual fruits in the form of dozen is different, right? Same way, if you take 1 mole of hydrogen, so you have a constant value, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of hydrogen. So 1 mole of hydrogen in the sense you have 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of hydrogen. So what is the mass of hydrogen? So we already know atomic mass unit, that is 1, right? So 1 mole of oxygen is nothing but 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of oxygen, that is 16 grams. So what is the mass of oxygen? That is 16 grams. So what is the mole of oxygen? 1 mole of oxygen, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So what is 1 mole of nitrogen means? So 1 mole of nitrogen consists of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of nitrogen. So that is mass is equal to 14 grams, isn't it? So this is how you should know about the mass. So okay, it gonna vary. Okay, this is said to be a mole concept. Okay, when you solve a problem, you'll understand much better. So here 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, it is nothing but Avogadro number. So this number was given by scientist Avogadro. So we call it as Avogadro number. Okay, mass of each element is said to be its molar masses. So if you take mass of each element, so that is nothing but a molar mass. Okay, what is molar mass? The atomic or molecular mass. If you take a mass of atoms or if you take a mass of molecules of a substance, that is expressed in terms of grams. Okay, for example, 1 mole of HNO3. So it is a constant value. What is a constant value Avogadro number? That is 1 mole of HNO3 is equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of HNO3. So totally here you can see oxygen is 3. So what is the mass of oxygen? What is the atomic mass of oxygen? That is 16. So 16 into 3. Okay, and nitrogen is 14, isn't it? So here oxygen is 3. So 16 threes are, what is 16 threes are? Yes, it is 48. 48 plus 14 plus 1. So we get it as 63. Okay, so this is how you need to calculate. And next, 1 mole of hydrogen, that is H2. So we can see hydrogen is 2. So what is 1 mole of hydrogen means? It is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of hydrogen. So H value is atomic mass is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 grams because 2 molecules of hydrogen is present, right? Next, 1 mole of nitrogen, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of nitrogen is present. And so what is the way? N is 14. So 14 plus 14, it is 28 because 2 atoms of nitrogen is present. What is 1 mole of ozone? Ozone in the sense O3. Okay, it is its symbol is O3. 1 mole of ozone is equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of O3. So which weighs about 48 grams. Okay, so O value is 16 grams. 1 O value is 16 grams. 16 into 3. Okay, that is 48. So this is about the molar concept or mole concept. Let us solve 3 example problems. I'll make a different video of it. Okay, do observe the solution, how I solve each problem, and practice at your home. Okay, see you all children.